Bounce with a real nigga. Do one of them rhyme with a real nigga. Come club with a real nigga. Money get money with a real. Cause I'm trapped in a trap. Every day I'm up in a trap. I'm trapped. Cause I'm all in a trap. Always trapped out the trap. Bad bitch all in a trap. Got niggas coming through the trap. Got them laws watching my tramp. We gon' go slide on them hoe. No way to get money on the boy. Trade with me, that's your fault. Trying to go hustle, get harder. Get money for my kids and my daughter. Trying to get real things smarter. You can't fuck around with the pro. Fuck around, nigga, drop you on your toes. And fuck around and drop the 6-4. Every time I'm cruising, I'm with your hoe. And I don't really want that hoe around right now. She's starting to get up on my nerves and we fuck around. I had fun when it lasted a time. I pull up on you boys but respect mine. And I don't fuck around, I ain't no dumb. And I don't fuck with people ain't better than they self. Cause I'm already struggling trying to come up, This ain't gonna make me fall off. If she don't wanna false and she can get lost, I'ma always be me, I'ma show them what I'm about. I pull up in the Robbie in the bars and garage. I ain't talking about no damn foreign cars. Cause a nigga can't afford that shit right now. And I ain't talking about that, I'm a hoe ass nigga. But I'm just telling your ass real facts. Boy run up on me, then a gun gon' blast. I hit the club up, looking for some hoes in the square. I'm looking for little bitch gon' let me bust up her ass, you know. Do it real big and we have fun and laugh. You talk down on me, boys, make you feel sad. The boys can't see my kitchen like deadly crab. Nigga wanna play with us, you get stabbed. Nigga doing that when doing my walk. When they do they sheep walk, niggas doing they crip walk. Niggas doing they blood walk. Niggas do whatever though. Nigga let me ain't no hoe. Pull up, nigga on Mexico. Pull up in that California, nigga touchdown and cause hell in the Los Angeles. I be up in the valley, be up everywhere, niggas. I fuck around, be in Miami. Fuck around, leave LA in a minute. Can't see me, nigga, I'm in the Compton, front to Rockton. Nigga talking shit, nigga, what's poppin'? What's good, blood? Riding in the club, what's good to the cuz? Shout out to the Bloods and the Crips. Gotta kill them through every time when the Crip. Every time that my nigga bang, and he blood. Know me, like me affiliated in the shit. Cause I'm both of my families, they all in that shit. You know I hit a hit, you know I lean a lick. You know I lean the money, you know I lean the rich. You know I be the boy, you know I rhyme star. You can't fuck with me, pulling out the foreign car, drop the switch, drop a switch. Bad hoes wanna ride with the G, boy we real, she fuck with real, Nigga real niggas in the street, fuck with us, don't fuck with us. Cause we do you like the Wild Wild West. Don't fuck with us, don't fuck with us. Because we do you like the Wild Wild West. Don't hey, hey, come dancing. Cause I'm jigging, cause I'm rolling, cause I'm cruising, cause I'm rolling, nigga, cause I'm cruising, cause I'm rolling. Car ain't real, not stolen. Car is real, cause I'm rolling. Got a bad hoe, dropped that off yesterday.